Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the savviest purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two GPS drones that promise to elevate your drone game. On the left, we have the Holystone HS720, and on the right, the TENSSENX GPS Drone. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into a high-flying comparison. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, let's talk about price. The Holystone HS720 will set you back a cool $249. That's like buying a ticket to a concert where you get a free drone thrown in. Meanwhile, the TENSSENX GPS Drone is a more wallet-friendly $169. You could almost buy a second drone for the price difference. But hey, quality doesn't come cheap, right? Or does it? Reviewers say that both drones offer great value for their price, but the TENSSENX stands out for being budget-friendly. Let's find out more. Next up, the cameras. Both drones boast 4K cameras, but let's break it down. The Holystone HS720 offers image stabilization with a 90 degrees adjustable lens and a shock absorption holder. It's like having a miniature Spielberg directing your aerial shots. On the other hand, the TENSSENX drone also brings a 4K camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustability. It's like the drone equivalent of a selfie stick on steroids. Both are impressive, but the Holystone's image stabilization might just give it the edge for those buttery smooth shots. Reviewers praise the Holystone for its stable and high-quality video footage, while the TENSSENX is noted for its wide-angle coverage. Now, let's talk GPS and return home features. The Holystone HS720 is like a boomerang. Lose signal, low battery, or just a press of a button, and it's coming back to you. It's like the loyal pet you never had. The TENSSENX isn't far behind though. It also has GPS auto-return, making sure you don't lose your investment in a tree somewhere. So both drones have your back when it comes to finding their way home. It's like having a built-in homing pigeon. According to reviewers, both drones perform reliably in this category, but some users have reported issues with TENSSENX's auto-return feature. Battery life is crucial. The Holystone HS720 offers 26 minutes per battery, with 2 batteries included, giving you a total of 52 minutes. That's almost an entire episode of your favorite sitcom. The TENSSENX comes with 2 batteries as well, but you get a total of 46 minutes. Not bad. But those extra 6 minutes with Holystone might be the difference between capturing the perfect sunset or just a dark sky. Reviewers appreciate the long battery life of the Holystone, although they note the long charge time. The TENSSENX also receives good marks for battery life, but is slightly shorter in comparison. Portability and design are next. The Holystone HS720 folds up nicely and comes with a well-fitted carrying case. It's like carrying a fancy briefcase to your drone office. The TENSSENX is lightweight, under 250 grams, which means no FAA registration needed. Plus, it's also foldable and comes with a durable case. It's like the drone version of a pocket-sized Swiss Army knife. Less hassle and more fly time. Reviewers love the convenience and portability of both drones, but the TENSSENX's lightweight design is a standout feature. For ease of use, both drones have you covered. The Holystone HS720 is packed with multi-sensors for stable hovering, optical flow positioning, and beginner-friendly features like one key start-stop. It's like having a drone that practically flies itself. The TENSSENX offers similar features with headless mode, one key takeoff/landing, and voice and gesture control. It's like having a personal assistant that also happens to be a drone. Honestly, both are great for newbies. But the TENSSENX might win the cool factor with voice control. Reviewers highlight the Holy Stone's user-friendly setup and flight stability, while the TENSSENX gets kudos for its fun and innovative control options. Overall, reviewers have a lot of praise for both drones. The Holy Stone HS720 is highlighted for its stability, image quality, and long battery life. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS drone is appreciated for being budget-friendly, lightweight, and having innovative features like voice control. Some users have reported minor issues with the TENSSENX's auto-return feature, but it remains a strong contender in terms of value for money. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS720 and the TENSSENX GPS drone. Both have their strengths and quirks. If you're looking for a bit more flight time and image stabilization, the Holy Stone might be your go-to. But if you want a lighter, more budget-friendly option with cool voice controls, the TENSSENX could be your new best friend. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.